Hello everyone, welcome to DigitalTech Educator. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe this channel for more videos and updates. In this video, we are going to take a look into how to share any activities from Seesaw to Google Classroom through links. All you have to do is check it out your Seesaw class, go to your activities, get through the activities list, select one activity that you're going to share. If you notice there, you can see 3 dots over there. Click that one, go to Get Activity Link. And here you can see the activities and also the links below the activities. So what you are going to do next is, before you copy down the links, go to another tab, open your Google Classroom, sign in, get into your class, get into your classwork, click Create, and go to assignment, and all you need to do is just ready to assign the work. It is super simple how to link any activities from Seesaw to Google Classroom, and all you need to do is just copy paste. So in title, all you need to do is just copy the title in the Seesaw, Ctrl C, and paste it here, Ctrl V. And then all you need to do is copy the link, go to add, click the link. Since you are adding a link, you just add the link there and add the link, and it's already there. You can see the title of your activity, and it is super simple, and I can add any form of simple instructions like here, complete the Seesaw activity, and then you can check your further details in your classroom, your topic, and assign it. Now in your Google Classroom, go to your stream so that you can take a look at whether you have assigned the activity or not. And yeah, there it is. It is super simple. So thanks for watching.